Hello and welcome. Are you a dentist looking to improve your patient engagement and streamline your operations? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to talk about the power of chatbots and explainer videos in dentistry. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about chatbots. A chatbot is a computer program that uses artificial intelligence to simulate human conversation. It can help with tasks like scheduling appointments, answering patient questions, and even providing personalized recommendations for treatment. For patients, chatbots can be a game changer. They can provide 24/7 support without having to wait for office hours. And they can help patients feel more informed and confident in their care. Plus, chatbots can reduce no-shows and last-minute cancellations by sending reminders and confirmations to patients. Now, let's talk about explainer videos. These short, engaging videos can explain complex dental procedures and treatments in an easy-to-understand manner. They can be used to educate patients, reduce anxiety, and even increase patient engagement. Explainer videos can be shared on your website, social media channels, or even in the waiting room. They're a great way to provide patients with valuable information and help them feel more comfortable and informed about their care. So, how can you use chatbots and explainer videos in your dental practice? Here are a few ideas. Number 1, use a chatbot to schedule appointments and send reminders to patients. Second, create explainer videos to educate patients about different dental procedures and treatments. Third, use a chatbot to provide personalized recommendations for treatment and preventive care. Fourth, share explainer videos on your website and social media channels to engage patients and promote your practice. By using chatbots and explainer videos, you can improve patient engagement, reduce no-shows and last-minute cancellations, and provide personalized care and support to your patients. It's a win-win for everyone.